June 12, 2025, Mesa, Arizona, when police was alerted about a stolen vehicle near Broadway Road. Later, police located the stolen pickup and start tracking the car from above using the development area. Police tried to stop the car using the grappler, but they failed. The suspect was already alerted and he took a U-turn and drove off through a ramp. While trying to escape the police, the suspect crashed the car into a petrol vehicle. Later, the suspect was arrested using non-lethal methods.
Cul-de-sac, guys, he's turning around. Alright, off-road through the front yard. I copy the 261. Ramming PD vehicles. 998, 998!
Let's get out of the car. Hey, put your hands up!
Hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up!
X-ray 96, 998.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, bring it back! Bring it back!
Yeah, I saw. Yes. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Get down! Get down! Here, watch out, watch it, watch it, watch it. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Get your hands up now! Hey, go to the bank. Somebody toss the bank. Hey, go to the bank. Somebody toss the bank. Hold on, hold on. Hey, stand by. This guy's not. We're gonna throw a bang real quick. Get him to comply. Stand by. Go with bang. Go with bang.
Thank you.
24 and 38, can you guys hold the west side traffic?
Air unit, can you go a little higher so they can hear our commands, please?
He's coming. Leave your shoe. Just keep walking backwards.
Keep walking backwards. Side step to your right. Side step to your right. Keep coming back. Walk back. Walk back. Side step to your right. Side step to your right. Side step to your right.
Balmoral and then come west.
Walk back. Keep coming back.
Stop looking back at us.
Side step to your right. Side step to your right.
Sam 6-9. We got a second detained. We're gonna call out to the car now.